Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidyalakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this finger millet and potato rosti. This is a perfect breakfast, or you can serve it as a snack. I prepare this for weekends. It's perfect for us. Very tasty. Here what I've done is I have grated a potato using a large eye grater. And once the potato is grated, I've boiled it for 2 minutes in the water, drained all that excess water, and I've squeezed that excess water, added the potato to a mixing bowl. Now to this I'll be adding finger millet flour. As required, I'll be adding the finger millet flour. I've added salt as per taste. Now I'll combine all of this. We need to allow the finger millet flour to rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Otherwise it will have a very rough texture. So here the finger millet flour is rested for 2 to 3 minutes approximately. Now I've heated a pan on medium to low flame, added butter. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the social media handle links will be listed in the description box below this video. A written recipe blog is posted on my blog. So the blog link will be in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video. I've also posted the same recipe in Tamil language. Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now here I've placed that batter and I'm just going to flatten it with a spoon. If you're comfortable using your hands, you can flatten it with your hands itself. Flatten it as thin as possible. Diabetic people who want to avoid butter can use groundnut oil or sesame oil. Or in general, people who want to avoid butter can use sesame oil or groundnut oil. This is frying on very low to medium flame. Every 2 minutes I kept flipping it. In total I cooked this for 5 to 10 minutes till the potato turned crispy. So once the potato has turned nice and crispy, I'm going to serve this as hot as possible. Kids will really love this because it does not contain any sort of chili or any sort of hard masalas. You just serve it with some chutney and this is perfect. Here the potato has roasted well. Now I'm just going to serve it as hot as possible with some butter and chutney. Do give this recipe a try, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.